Alright, so we got a train over here. And I think there's a train over that way too. Yeah, you can hear it. Not much over there yet. Here comes the train. There's a honk right there. And there's a UP right down there. And a Canadian Pacific. And another Canadian Pacific. And it looks like a tank train. Kind of hard to see though. Yeah, straight down there. That's cool. And we got this train right here. Wow. It's pretty cool. We got this train right here. We got that train right over there. .3077. That's what's in these cars. Like there's it's a mixed freight because there's a box car and some whole cars.
Buffer cars.
Hey, is that another train over there? Or I think that's the train we just saw. One with a fake bonnet. Wow, those are loud cars. That Burlington Northern train. There's a train coming up here. It's a small train coming up. Burlington Northern engine and a BNSF engine. Tiny switches. That train over there is yeah. See that? There's the other train over there. Wow, we got all sorts of action. Hopefully he'll give us a little horn salute, because I heard those horns sound pretty good, usually, on Burlington Northern engines. And the train down there is stopped. So practically this is a three-way train meet up here. That's a lot of smoke over there. I think the conductor is getting out. Or no, he's just getting in the train. And this train's stopping. Yeah, look, you can see him getting out. Yeah, I can smell that engine from here. I think they scratched it out. Conductor's getting out again. And I think this train's now speeding up. Hey! Look at the company on those cars, the wood. That's Potlatch Dillon. Yep, cutie car. Small. But I don't think it's all radioactive. And it looks like there's a BNSF police car coming down. Whoa, look at that dust. Like a dust. But the end's over there. And it looks like the Union Civic over there. Yeah. Thought I just heard a car. I think we're gonna have to go after this train. Well, train is almost over. Are we able to stay for a little bit longer? How far do you think this train end is? Not very far. No. Okay. So we're gonna have to go after this train. Hey, I see the train down there. Down there's a UP train connecting up to the BNSF line. Cool. And that train over there is still moving.